We are now solving problem 24 from the Amc 10A from 2019. Let p, q, and r be the distinct roots of the polynomial x cubed minus 22x squared plus 80x minus 67. It is given that there exist real numbers a, b, and c such that 1 over s cubed minus 22s squared plus 80s minus 67 is a over s minus p plus b over s minus q plus c over s minus r for all s is not p, q, and r in this case. What is 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c? Now, we can multiply both sides by this enormous thing on the bottom. So this becomes 1 is equal to a times, this is s minus q times s minus r. Yeah, it's going to be that. Plus b times s minus p times s minus r plus c s minus p s minus q. And how this works is, since this polynomial, the roots of the polynomial are p, q, and r, this can be broken up into x minus p times s minus q times s minus r, so that when you multiplied it over these individual terms, one term would be crossed out. And how it would work? Well, since this polynomial is now in this form, a form where it's not a fraction, we can now plug in s is equal to p. Because earlier here, you couldn't plug into s equals p, otherwise this would be 0, making it undefined. But now if you plug in s equals p, it's not going to be undefined. So let's just plug in s equals p. That's 1 equals a times p minus q times p minus r. So, what do we get here? We get that 1 over a is equal to p minus q times p minus r. Now, we can use the same process for b and c. 1 over b is equal to, this is going to be q minus p times q minus r. Yeah, and then 1 over c is equal to r minus p times r minus q. Now, what we can do with all these values is we can sum these up. So 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c. This is going to be, well, let's just multiply them out and then add them up and divide them up. This is going to be p squared plus q squared plus r squared minus pq minus qr minus pr. So, once we've done that, we can organize it. We can put this part in parentheses and this part in parentheses. Okay, what do we know here? We can use the coefficients of this polynomial to figure out that this part is 80. And this part, it's a bit trickier because that's 20. This corresponds with 22. So since we know that p plus, this is going to be hard to figure out, but p squared plus r plus q, when you square that, this is going to be equal to 22 squared. So you have to square this. This is going to be p squared plus r squared plus q squared plus 2 times all this here. That's when you multiply it out. We figure out that's 80 is equal to 22 squared, and it's 484. So all in all, we get that this When you subtract, it's 324. So our answer is going to be 324 minus 80 is equal to 244. And like that, we are done.